Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about hazards, geography unit 5. Introduction. In the beginning 21st century, the earth supported a human population that was more numerous and found healthier and wealthier than ever before. At the same time, there were a lack of awareness on the risk that faced by the people. Hazards are defined as a thing, a person, event, or factor that poses a threat to people, structure, or economic assets and which may cause a disaster. Types of hazards. Hazards are classified into different ways. First one based on the cause of occurrence and second one based on their origin. First one you see based on the causes of occurrence. Hazards can be broadly classified into three types. First one natural hazards, second one human made hazards, third one socio-natural hazards. Next one based on their origin. Hazards can be grouped into 8 types. First one you say atmospheric hazard. Atmospheric hazards include thunderstorms, lightning and heat waves. And second one seismic hazards. Seismic hazards include earthquake and tsunami, landslides. And third one hydraulic hazard. Hydraulic hazards include flood, droughts. And fourth one you see volcanic hazard. Volcanic hazards is eruptions and lava flows. Fifth one environmental hazards. Environmental hazards include global warming, pollution of soil and deforestation. Sixth one you see biological hazards. Biological hazards includes chickenpox, smallpox, AIDS, etc. And seventh one you say technological hazards. Technological hazards include hazardous material incidents, fires. Eighth one human induced hazard. The human induced hazard includes mass shootings, war, transportation accidents and civil disorder. First one you see hazards can be classified into three types: natural hazards, human made hazards and socio-natural hazards. First one you see natural hazards. These are the result of natural process and man has no role to play in such hazards. Example, the main example of natural hazards are earthquake, flood, cyclonic storms, drought, landslides, tsunami and volcanic eruption. Next one you see human made hazards. These are caused by undesirable activities of human. It can be the result of an accident such as an industrial chemical leak or oil spill or an intentional act. The following are the example of human made hazards. They are explosion, hazardous waste, pollution of air, water and land, dam failures, wars or civil conflicts and terrorism. Next one social natural hazards. The frequency and intensity of floods and droughts may increase due to indiscriminate felling of trees, particularly in the catchment areas of the rivers. Landslides are caused by natural forces and their frequency. An impact may be aggravated as a result of construction of roads, houses, etc. In mountainous areas, excavating tunnels and by mining and quarrying. Major hazards in India. First one you see earthquakes. Earthquake is a violent tremor in the earth crust, sending out a series of shock waves in all directions from its place of origin. Second one you see floods. Flood is an event in which a part of the earth's surface gets inundated. Heavy rainfall and large waves in seas are the common cause of flood. The major cause of floods are meteorological factors and physical factors and human factors. Third one, cyclonic storms. A cyclonic storm is a strong wind circulating around a low pressure area in the atmosphere. It rotates in anti-clockwise direction in northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Fourth one you see droughts. Any lack of water to satisfy the normal needs of agriculture, livestock, industry, or human population may be termed as a drought. Fifth one you see landslides. Landslide is a rapid downward movement of rock, soil and vegetation down the slopes under the influence of gravity. Landslides generally sudden and infrequent, present steep slope and heavy rainfall are the main causes of landslides. Sixth one you see tsunami. Tsunamis refer to huge ocean waves caused by an earthquake, landslide or volcanic eruption. Seventh one you see hazardous waste. The waste that may or tend to cause adverse health effects on the ecosystem and human beings are called hazardous waste. The following are the major hazardous waste are: first one radioactive substance, second one chemicals, third one biomedical waste, fourth one flammable waste, fifth one explosives, sixth one household hazardous waste. Eighth one you see pollution of air. Air is a mixture of several gases. The main gases of are nitrogen 78.09% for forming products such as fertilizers for plants and for making the air insert. Oxygen 20.95% for breathing and carbon dioxide 0.03% for photosynthesis. Ninth one you see pollution of water. Water pollution may be defined as alteration in the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of water which may cause harmful effects in human and aquatic life. In India, water pollution has been taking place on a large scale and since a long period. Thank you student for a patient listening. Let's see a new class and next week. Thank you students.